Hello, this is Roller with the Globe Community Support Team, and today I'd like to show you how you can add video to the website. So I'm going to add video to my page. So first, once I'm logged in, I can click on my name, come here to my page. And you can add video to any place that you can see an edit button. If you don't see an edit button on the page, double check that this edit controls here doesn't have a slash through the I. Once you've done that, then you can click on edit. So I want to add a video right here, right below this. So put the cursor where you want the video to go and come click on the video icon. Next to video type MP4, we're going to click on Browse Server. And just a quick note, the Globe website only accepts videos in the MP4 format or the WebM format. So we're going to use the MP4 by clicking Browse Server. Click on the folder with your name in it. And then let's create a new folder for our video. So I'll just put. Now click on the new folder name. And we can choose this Browse button to add our video. And once you've clicked on the video, click Upload to add it. And we'll just give it a minute to upload to the Globe website. Now click on the name of your video and click on OK. Now choose Publish. You might want to give the Globe website a minute to upload it. Once it's uploaded and refreshed, here you go. You can click on this play button.
Hello, I just wanted to show you today how to convert video.
And there you go. We got a video on the Globe website. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.